you need to know few information about the class. Consider we have a Java project with us. I'm gonna create the new class. Let me create the class called example. I created the class called example, the public class example, which has the curly brace open and close, right? So you will see that your class is created something like this, but actually your class would look like this, which you can't realize. Import java.lang package, right? Then public class example, which extends by default object class. Then it will have one no argument constructor. Since we don't know what is a constructor, don't need to worry about that. But as of now, just be with me. Just understand this is the constructor, right? So even though you written a class, you created the class, looks like this, but actually the class would look like this, which you can't realize that. So if you see that, what is the default package in Java? So the java.lang package is the default package in Java. So public class example, even though your class is not extending the object, implicitly your class always will extend the object class. That's what people used to say, inheritance everywhere in Java. Even though you are not inheriting the object, by default your all class will inherit object class. So then we'll have the default no argument constructor. So this is how your class actually would look like. So as a Java developer, you should understand this one. So you will get lot of question based on this one. I don't know whether you have noticed, when we are trying to access system.out.println, system is the class, but in order to access the system class, we are not importing any package, right? Then where exactly the system class is coming from? The system class actually coming from java.lang package. So whatever classes are available in the java.lang package, you can use it freely without doing import, because anyhow that is imported by default in your class. So you can actually use it.